Hey, did you hear why the banker and economist decided to get married? No, actually, I didn't. And why did they? Well, you see, actually, it's because they had a great bond. Oh God, here you are again telling economy jokes. Well, let me ask you this. Do you even know what a bond is? Yeah. No, actually, I don't know what a bond is, unfortunately. Okay, well, that's no big deal. I can teach you what they are real quick. Bonds are sold by corporations and governments in order to raise money by borrowing it from the public. On every bond, there's the name of the borrower, the repayment date, which is also known as the maturity date, and lastly, there's the amount due at repayment, which is known as the face value of a bond. The face value? Well, after they use the money and they make it back, do they just give you the same amount? Or how does that work exactly? And also, do all companies give the same amount? Or does each company have a different amount that they give back? Well, actually, it depends on the interest rate of the bond. Each bond has an interest rate on the amount you paid for it. The interest rate depends on how the bond is rated. If it is rated good, then the interest rate is low. If it's rated bad, then the interest rate is going to be higher, therefore meaning that you will make more money back. Okay, well, does that mean that they're each rated by a number and then as it gets lower that it's just a better bond? Or how exactly does that work? Well, actually, it's by letters. The best bonds that you can get are the 3 A's. Under that is 2 A's and then A. The worst bond, however, is a D. So if you buy a bond from a D place, then that's going to have a super high interest rate, meaning that you will make more money back. But with the ones with the 3 A's, you have a lower interest rate, but you will still make more money than you spent on the bond. Okay, well, who exactly leaves the rating on the bonds? Or is it like a Google review to where you just write 1 stars out of 5 or 5 stars out of 5? How exactly does that work? See, that's another good question. Credit rating agencies such as Moody's, S&P look at default risk along with other financial measures and assign the letter grade to wherever each bond is being sold at. And then from there, then they take the rating and then people can come and buy the bonds. Okay, well, most all of what I know about economy is just the supply and demand chart. So does that affect the demand any based off the rating, or how does that work exactly? Yeah, so actually if a credit rating agency downgrades a company in its rating, it decreases demand and the price, but the interest rate then increases. Oh, okay, now it all makes sense. Oh, now that I know what a bond is, that joke that you told at the beginning, it's pretty funny. Yeah, isn't it though? Wait till you hear the one about the GDP falling down the stairs.